Look at this setup here. Again, showing off their beautiful Amish furniture. You'll have to excuse us. Like I said, they've got the electric already cut off in the bathroom. I have shown this on my other video before. So you can see you got the his and her copper sinks, the cabinets, walk-in shower over there. And then
there's a closet right here, little linen closet.
Okay.
It's a nice size.
Got a door there. Let me turn around and see. There's your shower. And let me turn around. And again, remember too, if you want your commode in a different spot, your toilet, we can do that as well. Obviously, we know we got that right there by the front window. Again, when you design your cabin, we can move things around to suit your needs, okay? So again, with the dark stain up top, another window here facing the porch.
I want to mention something else. I think the trims, like the darker trims, are upgrades too.
Okay, darker trim. Gotcha.
So just something to keep in mind.
Absolutely.
This is all like upgrades.
Absolutely. Okay. So just keep that in mind. Some of these are upgrades for this particular customer, you know, the way that they ordered theirs. But the majority of the cabin, this is the way it comes. Okay. So the majority of it, small upgrades along the way, but majority of it is not an upgrade. It's the base model. Okay. So going back to the front one last time. Again, I just want to make sure, again, you guys really can take all this in. I mean, look at this, guys. It's just, it takes my breath away every time I walk this cabin, because when I think of the dream cabin, the Appalachian is the one that I'm thinking about. You know what I mean? This is the one you've worked hard your whole life. It's time to hang up your cleats and really enjoy that land. You got that beautiful piece of land somewhere. Maybe you got some lake views. Maybe you got some mountain views. And it's time to hang up your cleats and enjoy the grandkids coming over and having a great gathering spot where everybody's always so excited to come over and see Mama and Papa, right? And you could just see it. Maybe put you a fireplace or wood burning stove in here, which we do got the wood burning stoves now, by the way. And just set that scene. Imagine wintertime, snow's falling outside, the whole family's just relaxing, kicking it, enjoying all the ambiance of the fire. You can smell the food cooking. I mean, it's just beautiful, guys. It is just beautiful. So Nadia, let's take the folks upstairs. I know it's a mess up there because they're disassembling everything. They're disassembling everything, but let's take them up there and show them what that looks like. Before they really finish disassembling everything. And again, look at those D-log steps, guys. Look at that. Nadia, go on up there if you don't mind. Let me show them what that looks like with you up there in the middle part. There you go. So yeah. So it's super cool up there, guys. It's like a little nest up there. Just imagine. I always tell everybody, we got the 3 bedrooms, 2 bath downstairs for the adults, but for the kiddos, the grandkids, send them up to the loft. They're going to be in heaven, and they're going to be keeping themselves occupied for many, many hours. So let me walk up here. Like I said, excuse the mess, guys. We're disassembling the cabin, getting it ready to ship to a customer. So it is a mess up here, but like I said, we were very blessed. And the Amish said, yep, come on in. Come film one last time. We got to take this thing down. It's going to a new home. So that is what we're doing here today. You can see the yeah, so this is the loft area. Now, remember too, with the loft, guys, up here, with the loft area,
I did not know the size.
This particular customer did something that is not common. What they did is they got a couple of twin girls, and so the girls don't have to go downstairs. They're going to have 2 twin mattresses up here, and they put them a full restroom up here. That way, in the middle of the night, if they got to go use the bathroom, they don't have to go risk falling down the stairs, sleepwalking or something like that to get downstairs. So as you can see, walk-in shower. We can't fully put the whole bathroom together because the whole roof system has to fold flat for transportation, so we can make it underneath bridges. So for now, they have all the plumbing and everything roughed in, ready to go. So when we get there, we're able to finish the cabin and you know, put the walls up and get the bathroom finished. So again, you got your commode, sink, walk-in shower for the twin girls that are going to have their 2 twin beds up here. And again, so that way in the night, they got to pee, they can stay up here safely, not risk falling down the steps, sleepwalking and all of that. So as you can see, all the beautiful tongue and groove knotty pine. Remember, this is the way the cabin's gonna come. The attic does not come finished. If you want it finished, we can quote you for that, depending on if you want a bathroom in it or not. But it comes just the way you see it here, unfinished, unless you want us to finish it. And then of course that is an upgrade. You can see we got the mini splits up here.
You know I had to mess with this, right?
Yeah, you got the sky, you got the skylight, one skylight here,
God. You got two of them.
and another skylight over here.
Very cool. You can actually open it.
Yeah, you can open it, get some fresh air. And one of the things I always thought was neat is, check this out. They make these models before they make the cabins to kind of see what they're going to look like before they make them. And I just thought that's pretty cool. This is an actual, like, actual real life 3D mock-up of the Appalachian cabin. Isn't that cool? Super neat. One of the things I want to point out here, guys, is the hinge system. Everybody always asks, man, how do you ship that big old cabin down the highway? Well, the whole roof system up here folds flat for transportation, and these are the hinges that allows the roof system to do that, okay? Again, another reason why we can't fully finish the bathroom up here, because you can't fold the roof if you complete the bathroom. So this way we can get all that stuff out, fold it down, move it to its new home, and then from there, reassemble everything again for the new homeowner, okay? So let us keep it moving and head back downstairs. My video is getting a little longer here, but again, I didn't want to miss anything, guys. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. I did not want to miss a thing when it came to the opportunity to film this cabin before it goes to its new home. So one more time here, Nadia, if you want to walk downstairs, and then we will give them the view of you walking downstairs this lovely cabin. Lovely lady in a lovely cabin here. So look at those beautiful spindles, knotty pine, tongue and groove walls again.
These little details adds up.
Exactly. It's all about the details. That's it. So again, right back downstairs. And like I said, I hope you guys have really enjoyed the tour. If you have, please leave me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Show me some love, because we spend a lot of time trying to make good quality content for you guys. And again, much love to the Gen Xers and the baby boomers out there. If you're a Gen Xer or a baby boomer, you know I'm a Gen X Cowboy 1979 model. So show me some love. Comment Gen X below. Comment boomer. Comment the year you was born. Engage with my content. Show me some love. And so more people can see these beautiful cabins, and the algorithm shares that with everybody. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Nadia, thank you so much for assisting us, our lovely host today.
Absolutely.
And y'all be blessed, okay? Come back and see us now. Y'all take care.